Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the way your mobile app dashboard looks. In this guide, we'll explore the different options that let you customize how your dashboard appears. You can make changes that affect the whole dashboard or just the home page. These changes can make your app look better. Let's begin. Accessing dashboard settings. To start changing how your dashboard looks, go to the dashboard you want to edit. You'll see the settings on the right side of the mobile app preview. Round corners, element radius. This setting lets you control how round the corners of your dashboard items are. You can make them a little round, 5%, or very round, up to 50%. You can even make them completely round if your items have a 1:1 shape. Primary color. This setting affects the color of links and button outlines. You can change it by copying a special code, hex code, into the box or by picking a color from a color picker. Just click on the color preview line to use the color picker. You can also use RGB and HSL color formats. Backgrounds. These settings change how the backgrounds look everywhere in your app, including the home page, menus, and pop-up windows. You can pick a background image or a color. To choose a color, paste a hex code or use the color picker as we mentioned earlier. If you prefer an image, either drag and drop it into the background image box or open a pop-up to upload or choose from your existing images. You can decide to show the background image only on the home page by selecting Show Image Only on Dashboard. Buttons. This setting decides the background color of all buttons. You can make the buttons have a special look called a gradient by checking the Is Gradient box. Like with other settings, you can change button colors using hex codes or the color picker. Pay attention to the button text color to make sure the text on buttons is easy to read against the button's background. Additional UI colors. Here, you can change the color of certain things, like buttons for services or alerts for errors. You can also pick a color for reminders. You can use hex codes or the color picker to change these colors. Neutral UI elements. These settings affect general things like text, gradients, and menus. The top and bottom gradients change how overlays look on the dashboard. The neutral color option lets you change text color everywhere in the app. Remember to save your progress before viewing changes on the app or closing the window. Final recommendations. To make sure your app matches your brand's colors, it's a good idea to have a document with the color codes, hex codes, you use for your brand. This makes it easy to use the right colors in your app. For the best experience for your users, consider using a darker background and light-colored text. This makes the screen easier on the eyes and gives your app a modern look. Conclusion: by using these settings, you can make your mobile app look great and match your brand style.